Hello children, it is a great pleasure to meet you through this Max online class. Are you happy? Say yes or no? Yes. Yes children? Children, write the homework properly and send it to WhatsApp group. Okay? I hope you all wrote homework. Yes children? Now, let's come back to our Max online class. Okay? Now let us see the continuation of the previous class. In the previous class, we have studied about addition of large numbers. Yes children? Yes. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of large numbers. Okay? Subtraction. We have already studied in the previous classes. That means first standard to third standard. Yes children? So now you say, what do you mean by subtraction? What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means the operation of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. Okay? Subtraction means the operation of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. We find how many left, how many more, how many less than, and the difference of through subtraction. Okay children? Now all of you listen carefully. Subtraction, it is little difficult comparing addition. Okay children? So all of you listen carefully. All of you look at the board. See the question. First question, subtract the following. Okay? In first question A part, here two numbers are given. Okay children? So now you see that first number. How will you read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 75 lakh 86,795. This is one number. Next number is 31 lakh 51,234. Now you subtract from which number? 75 lakh 86,795 to 31 lakh 51,234. Okay. Now you see in first number, this first number is called minuend. Okay. Minuend. What do you mean by minuend? The number from which the other number is to be subtracted is called minuend. Okay. Minuend means the number from which the other number is to be subtracted is called minuend. Okay. So this first number is called minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Okay. Minuend. Minuend means the number from which the other number is to be subtracted is called the minuend. Next, second number. Second number is called subtrahend. Okay. The number subtracted is called the subtrahend. First number is called minuend and second number is called subtrahend. And one answer will come. Yes, the answer is called difference. Okay children, the answer is called difference. So the answer of an subtraction is called difference. Okay. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you subtract here minuend. Minuend always greater number. Okay, comparing subtrahend, minuend is a greater number. Okay children? So now you subtract. When subtraction, we start subtraction from the lowest place. Okay. Here lowest place is ones place. Okay children? Lowest place is ones place. Here ones place how many numbers are there? Two numbers. Okay. 5 and 4. So subtract 5 and 4. 5 minus 4. Yes children? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. What is the answer? 5 minus 4? 5. Okay? 5 is the. So now 4 numbers are left. So how much is remaining? 1. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Otherwise 4 in take in your mind. Okay? 4 after 5. Okay? 4 after 5. So here minuend is 5 only. So here how many fingers are there? 1. So your answer is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay? Yes. Now you come to the next place, subtracting in tens place, okay. Here tens place have 9 and 3. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 3, okay. 3 you take in your mind. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the before 5 fingers, now one more finger, so total 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6 fingers, okay. So 9 minus 3 is equal to how much? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, clear children? Yes. Now you come to the next place. So subtracting in hundreds place, okay. Here in hundreds place have 7 and 2. Now you subtract 7 minus 2. What is the answer? 2. 2 you take in your mind, okay. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you see here in your hand how many fingers are there? 5. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you come to the next place, thousands place, okay. Now subtracting in thousands place, here thousands place have 6 and 1. So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, okay. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How much? 5. So 6 minus 1 is equal to, your answer is 5. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the next place, subtracting in 10,000 place. Okay. Here 10,000 place have 8 and 5. So now you subtract 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. So now you see subtrahend. Okay. So subtrahend have 5. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. Okay. Subtrahend you see here 5. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. So total how much? Here 3 fingers. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? எப்பவுமே உன்னோட சப்ட்ராஹண்ட் கீழே இருக்க நம்பரை சப்ட்ராஹண்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம், மேலே இருக்க நம்பரை மினியூனண்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? அப்போ சப்ட்ராஹண்டை உன்னோட மைண்டில் வச்சுக்க. ஸோ 5 மைண்டில் வச்சுட்டு 5க்கு அடுத்தால என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 5 ஆஃப்டர் 6, 7, 8. உன்னோட மினியூனண்ட் எத்தனை இருக்கோ அது வர சொல்லணும். சரியா? ஸோ 5 ஆஃப்டர் 6, 7, 8. ஸோ how many? 3. So your answer is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you come to the next place, lakhs place. Now you subtracting in lakhs place. Okay. Because here lakhs place have 5 and 1. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. In down how much number? 1. Which number is there? 1. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. மேலே என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? 5 இருக்கு. நம்ம அப்போ 5 வரதர சொல்லணும். சரியா? கீழே என்ன இருக்கு? 1. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much? 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay children? Yes. Now you come to the next 10 lakhs place. Now we are subtracting in 10 lakhs place. Okay. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 3. Subtrahend have 3. Okay. So 3 you take in your mind. Okay. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much? 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to, your answer is 4. Okay children? Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Again one more time I will explain. Listen carefully. Subtraction sums. Okay. So B starts subtraction from the lowest place. Here lowest place is ones place only. Okay. So B starts subtraction from the ones place. Okay children? That is, don't forget. Okay. B starts subtraction from the ones place. Here ones place have 5 and 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to your answer is 1. Next, subtracting in tens place, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next you come to the hundreds place. Now subtracting in hundreds place, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next place, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, next 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Next 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So your answer is 44,35,561. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Now you come to the second sum, B part sums. Okay, so we start subtraction from ones place. Okay, here ones place have 2 and 2. Minuend and subtrahend are same. Yes children, minuend and subtrahend are same. When the minuend is the same as the subtrahend, the difference is 0. That's one of the rule. Okay, when minuend is same as subtrahend, the difference is 0. Difference means the answer of an subtraction is called the difference. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is equal to your answer is 0. Okay, உன்னோடது மினியூனண்டோ சப்ட்ராஹெண்டோ சேமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா உன்னோட ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும் 0. Okay children, clear? Clear? Yes. So your answer 2 minus 2 is equal to your answer is 0. Okay, next subtracting in tens place. Here tens place have 1 and 0. So 1 minus 0. What's the answer? 1 minus 0? 1. Yes children, how? 0 subtracted from a number does not change the value of the number. Okay, 0 ல இருந்து 1 ல இருந்து அதாவது வேற நம்பர்ல இருந்து 0வை சப் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகாது, வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. Okay, 0 subtracted from any number does not change the value of the number. So your answer is 1 minus 0 is equal to your answer is 1. Okay, yes. Now you subtracting in hundreds place. Here hundreds place have 5 and 5. So 5 minus 5. Here minuend is 5, subtrahend also 5. So when minuend is same as subtrahend, the difference is 0. So 5 minus 5 is equal to your answer is 0. Okay, yes. Now you come to the thousands place. Subtracting in thousands place, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So subtrahend you take in your mind. Okay, so 1 after 2 minuend. So how much is that? 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to your answer is 1. Next you come to the 10,000 place. 10,000 place have 8 and 7. So 8 minus 7. 7 after 8. So only 1. Okay, so 8 minus 7 is equal to your answer is 1. Next 9 minus 6. Subtracting in lakhs place. Okay, so 6 after 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6 after 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers? 3. So your answer 9 minus 6 is equal to your answer is 3. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you come to the next 10 lakhs place. Here now subtracting in 10 lakhs place. Okay, here 10 lakhs place have 9 and 2. So 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already 5 fingers, here 2 fingers. So 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is equal to your answer is 7. Okay, so your answer is 73,11,010. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you come to the C part. Subtract. 2 numbers are given. Yes children, this first number is called minuend, second number is called subtrahend. Okay, so here minuend is 98 lakh, sorry, 1 tens 100 thousand 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore. So 9 crore 87 lakh 65,129. Okay, subtrahend is 1 crore 79 lakh 78,920. Okay children, now you start We start subtraction from the ones place. Okay. Here ones place have 9 and 0. So 9 minus 0. What's the answer? 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, 9. Okay. 0 subtracted from any number. The answer is number itself. Okay. So 9 minus 0 is equal to your answer is 9 only. Now you come to next place. Tens place. Okay. Subtracting in tens place. Here 2 and 2. So 2 minus 2. Minuend and subtrahend are same. So the difference is 0. Okay. When the minuend is same as the subtrahend, the difference is 0. So 2 minus 2 is equal to your answer is 0. Okay children. Clear? Yes. Now you come to the next question. Sorry, next place. Okay. Here next place have 1 and 9. Now you subtract 1 and 9. Never. Yes. It is possible? No. Yeah. Why? 1 is smaller than 9. Yes children. So it cannot be subtracted. Is there no? 1 ல இருந்து நம்ம 9 சப் பண்ண முடியுமா? எப்பவுமே மேல இருக்க நம்பர் என்னவா இருக்கணும் நமக்கு? பிக்கா இருக்கணும். மினியூனண்ட் பிக்கா இருக்கணும். But here மினியூனண்ட் is small. 1 is smaller than 9. So 1 is smaller than 9. So you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? இங்க 1 ல இருந்து 9 சப் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? அடுத்த பிளேஸ்க்கு போய் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? borrow வாங்க போறோம். So here now you come to the here. Okay? Here 1 is smaller than 9, so it cannot be subtracted. So you come to the next place. Otherwise you go to the next place. Okay? Here next place is thousands place. Thousands place have 5. Okay children? Now you ask borrow. So you borrowed 1. So that means 5 minus 1. இங்க 5 இருக்கு. நீ 1 borrow வாங்கியாச்சு. அப்ப இங்க remaining எத்தனை இருக்கும்? 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So 5 becomes 4. 5 becomes 4. 1 becomes 11. Why? Already here 1. Now added 1. Yes children? So 11. புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு 1 ல இருந்து 9 சப் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால என்ன செய்றோம்? அடுத்த பிளேஸ்க்கு borrow வாங்க போறோம். அங்க 5 இருக்கு. 5 ல இருந்து 1 போயிடுச்சுனா என்ன வரும்? 4. இங்க ஏற்கனவே 1 இருந்ததனால அது கூட 1 ஆட் ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆயிரும்? அது 11 ஆ மாறிரும். சரியா? Now you subtract 11 minus 9. Here 11 is there. Yes children? Now you subtract 11 minus 7. So 9 take in your mind. Okay? So 9 after 10, 11. So how much? 2. So 11 minus 9 is equal to your answer is 2. Okay? Now you come to the next place. 4. 4 and 8. 4 minus 8 is possible? No. Yes children? It cannot be subtract from smaller number to bigger number. Okay? It is never subtract from smaller number to bigger number. சின்னதுல இருந்து பெருசா சப் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? You go to the next place, get borrow. Okay? So here next place have 6. So now you borrowed 1. So 6 becomes 5. Here 4 is there. So 4 becomes 14. Okay? Clear children? The 4 இருக்கு. அது கூட 1 அங்க ஆட் பண்ணணும். இங்க 6 ல இருந்து 1 போயிடுச்சுனா 5. 6 becomes 5. 4 becomes 14. Okay? Now you subtract 14 minus 8. Here 14 is there. 14 is greater number. So it can be subtract. Yes children? So 14 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 8 is equal to your answer is 6. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now you come to the next place. 5 and 7. Okay? 10,000 place have 5 and 7. So 5 is smaller than 7. So it cannot be subtract from 5 to 7. Yes children? So what to do? You go to the next place and get borrow. Okay? Here next place have 7. So 7 becomes 6. 5 becomes 15. Okay? Now you subtract 15 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much? Already 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So 15 minus 7 is equal to your answer is 8. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you come to the next place, 6 and 9. So here 6 is smaller than 9. So it cannot be subtract from 6 to 9. Okay, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, now you borrowed 1. So 8 becomes 7, 6 becomes 16. Okay, now 16 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how much? 7. So 16 minus 9 is equal to your answer is 7. Okay, now you come to the next place. 7 and 7. Minuend and subtrahend are same. Okay, when minuend is same as subtrahend, the difference is 0. So 7 minus 7 is equal to your answer is 0. Okay, next you come to the next place, that is crore place. Okay, so 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to your answer is 8. Okay children, clear? Yes, so your answer is 8 crore 7,86,209. Okay, clear? Now you come to the next question, B. B starts subtraction from ones place. Okay, here ones place have 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 is smaller than 9. Yes children, so it is cannot be subtract from 8 to 9. So you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here 9. 9 is there. So now you borrowed 1. So 9 becomes 8. 8 becomes 18. Okay, 9 becomes 8. 8 becomes 18. Now you subtract 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Already 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so 18 minus 9 is equal to your answer is 9. Next you come, subtracting in tens place. Tens place have 8 and 8. Minuend and subtrahend is same. Okay, so therefore your answer is 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next you come the hundreds place. Okay, so hundreds place have 2 and 6. Here 2 is smaller than 6. So it cannot be subtract from 2 to 6. So you go to the next place and get borrow. Okay, here next place have 5. So 5 becomes 4, 2 becomes 12. Okay children, now you subtract 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 minus 6 is equal to your answer is 6. Now you come to the next place, thousands place. Here thousand place have 4 and 5. So here it cannot be subtract from 4 to 5. Yes children, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here 4 is there. So 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes here, 4 becomes 14. Okay, clear? Yes. Now 14 minus 5. Now you subtract 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 9. Okay. So 14 minus 5 is equal to your answer is 9. Now you come to the next place. Okay. 10,000 place. Now subtracting in 10,000 place. Here 3 and 3. So the numbers are same. So your answer is 0. The difference is 0. Now you come to the next place. Okay children, that is lakhs place. Here lakhs place have 5 and 9. So it is cannot be subtract from 5 to 9. Okay, so you go to the next place. Next place have 6. So 6 becomes 5. 5 becomes 15. Okay children, yes, now you borrowed 1. So that's why 6 becomes 5. 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 9 is equal to, our answer is 6. Okay. Now remaining here 5 is there. So 5 minus 1. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to, our answer is 4. So our answer is 46,09,609. Okay children, are you clear? Do you understand? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay. Take fast. Children, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay. Continue your writing. Don't leave any page. Okay children. Just you write the heading, subtraction of large numbers. Addition over. So you write the heading, subtraction of large numbers. Write neatly children. Okay. Children, all of you take your classwork note and write the heading, subtraction of large numbers. Then after you write the question, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Yes children, now you write in first question A part question. Then after you write B part, then after B part, then after you write C part, then only you write D part. Okay, write one by one. Okay children, புரிஞ்சுதா? முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும்? உன்னோட class work note எடுத்து heading போடு, subtraction of large numbers, then after leave one finger space, you write the question. Okay, subtract the following. Then after you write the first A part question. Okay, you write the question and answer. Then after you leave one finger space, then you write B. Okay children, then after C, then after that you write D. Okay, write clearly. Write neatly children and properly. Okay, so எழுதும்போது numbers எழுதும்போது careful எழுது, அந்தந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு நேரா நம்பரை போடு. சரியா? In ones place below you write ones place numbers, tens place below you write tens place numbers. Okay, then hundreds place below you write hundreds place number. Next thousands place below you write thousand place numbers, and 10,000 below you write 10,000 place numbers, etc. Okay, okay children. Yes, then write neatly. Write neatly children. Have you finished? Now you come to the next question. Listen. See the question. Subtract 23,651 from 1 lakh. Okay. Your question is subtract 23,651 from 1 lakh. Okay, children. So, what is being asked in this question? 1 lakh la irundhu edha sub pannanom 23,651 na sub pannanom. Okay, so here subtract, what is given? Subtract 23,651 from 1 lakh. 1 lakh la irundhu da 23,651 na sub pannanom. Okay, here the larger number is 1 lakh. Okay, the smaller number 23,651. Yes, children, while subtracting two numbers, we have to write the large number at first. Okay, so you write the number 1 lakh at first. So then before you write the place value chart. Okay, so place value chart start from ones. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh. Okay, etc. Okay, children. Now you write the first number 1 lakh at first. Okay, so 1 lakh. So here 1 lakh have one's place have 0. So in one's place below you write 0. Okay, 0. Next 0. Hundreds place 0. Thousands place 0. 10,000 place 0. Next lakhs place have 1. Here 10 lakh place not there. So leave it. Okay, so 1 lakh. Next you should write 23,651 at second. Okay, here one's place have 1. So you write the numbers in columns according to the place value. So here one's place have 1. So one's place below you write 1. Tens place below you write 5. Hundreds place below you write 6. Thousands place below you write 3. 10,000 place below you write 2. Okay, children. Now you subtract 1 lakh from 23,651. Okay, now we start subtraction from the lowest place. Okay, lowest place here one's place. So we start subtraction from the one's place. Here one's place have 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 is smaller than 1. So it cannot be subtract. Yeah, children. So it cannot be subtract from 0 to 1. Okay, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, so now you go to the tens place. Tens place have also 0. So here no number. Yes, children, 0 is there. So you go to next hundreds. Tens place go to hundreds place. 100 place also here 0. So hundreds place go to thousands place. Okay, here thousands place also 0. So thousands place is go to 10,000 place. Okay, 10,000 place also 0. So 10,000 place is go to 1. Sorry, lakh. Okay, here lakh have 1. So you borrowed 1. So 1 becomes 0. Now 10,000 place 0 is there, so 0 becomes 10. புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு டைரக்டா லேக்ல இருந்து ஒன்ஸ்க்கு வர முடியாது. நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு பிளேஸ்ல தான் என்ன செய்யும்? பாரோ வாங்க வருவோம். அப்ப 10,000 பிளேஸ் தான் லேக் கிட்ட பாரோ வாங்கும். சரியா? அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இங்க 10,000 பிளேஸ் இப்போ எவ்வளவு வந்துருச்சு? 10 வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம அடுத்த பிளேஸ்க்கு கொடுக்கலாம். இப்போ thousands பிளேஸ் வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? 10,000 பிளேஸ்ல பாரோ ஆகும். You borrowed 1, so that's why 10 becomes 9. Here 0 is there, so 0 becomes 10. Okay children? Yes. Now here 100 place 0, so you go to the next place, that is thousands place, get borrow. Okay, here thousands place have 10, so 10 becomes 9. Here 0 is there, so 0 becomes 10. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு இங்க இருந்து வாங்கி டைரக்டா உடனே அங்க கொண்டு வந்துட முடியாது. எப்படி வரும்? ஒவ்வொரு பிளேஸா தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? கொண்டு வந்து ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்க்கு கொண்டு வரணும். சரியா? Now here hundreds place have 10, so now you borrowed 1, so 10 becomes 9. Here tens place have 0, so 0 becomes 10. Okay children? Yes. Next, but we need ones place only we need. Yes, borrow. So here tens place have 10, so 10 becomes 9. Here 0 is there, so 0 becomes 10. Okay children, now clear? Yes. Now you subtract. In ones place have 10 and 1. So 10 minus 1, how much? 10 minus 1. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to, your answer is 9. Okay. Next, tens place. Tens place have 9 and 5. Now you subtract. 9 minus 5 is equal to 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 4. So 9 minus 5 is equal to your answer 4. Okay? Yes. Now you subtracting in hundreds place. Okay? Hundreds place have 9 and 6. So 9 minus 6. 6 after, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 3. Okay? Yes. Now you come to the thousands place. Thousands place have 9 and 3. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So already 5 plus 1, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay? Yes. Now you come to the next place, 10,000 place. 10,000 place have 9 and 2. Okay? So 9 minus 2. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much? 7. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here lakhs place have only 0. So in front of the number 0 is not valued. Okay. So your answer is 76,349. Okay children. Your answer is 76,349. Okay. Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. Second question. Write it children. கமா போடும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா போடணும். சரியா? கமா எப்படி போடுவோம்? ஆன்சர்ல கமா போட்டுருக்கு பாரு. கமா எப்படி போடணும்? ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma, then 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma, then after lakh, 10 lakh after 1 comma. Okay children? This system already we have studied in first lesson. Yes or no? Yes. So do carefully. Okay? Write it. Write neatly children. Ones place below you write ones place number. Okay? ஜீரோல இருந்து பாரோ வாங்குறத ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாரோ வாங்கணும். சரியா? Have you finished? The next question. Subtract 7,52,509 from 8,63,215. Okay. What is being asked in this question? Subtract 7,52,509 from 8,63,215. Okay. இந்த நம்பரை இதுல இருந்து தான் சப் பண்ணணும். from எது 8,63,215. so 7,52,509 என்ன செய்யணும்? இந்த நம்பர்ல இருந்து சப் பண்ணணும். so you write 8,63,215 at first. okay children, எப்பவுமே மினி யூனிட் நம்மளுக்கு பிக்கா தான் இருக்கும். நீ இதிலே பார்த்தேனாலே தெரியும் எது பிக். 8,63,215 is greater than 7,52,509. okay, so you write 8,63,215 at first. okay, so now write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. okay, now here ones place have 5, so ones place below you write 5. next tens place have 1, hundreds place 2, thousands place 3, 10,000 place 6, lakhs place have 8. now you come to the next number. okay, so this is min unit, this is subtrahend. okay, here subtrahend have ones place have 9, so ones place below you write 9, tens place 0, hundreds place 5, thousands place 2, 10,000 place 5, lakhs place have 7. okay children, now you subtract. We start subtraction from ones place. okay, here ones place have 5 and 9, so 5 is smaller than 9, so it cannot be subtract from 5 to 9, so you go to the next place, get borrow. okay, here next place have 1, so now you borrowed 1, so 1 becomes 0, 5 becomes 15. okay, okay children, already 5 இருக்கு, அது கூட 1 add ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆயிரும்? 15. so now you subtract 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. okay, 6. so 15 minus 9 is equal to, the answer is 6. now tens place. Tens place have 0 and 0. Min unit 0, subtrahend 0. okay, here min unit and subtrahend are same. so that's why our difference is 0. 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to, the answer is 0. next you come to the next place, hundreds place. now you subtract 2 minus 5. is this possible? no. okay, why? 2 is smaller than 5. it cannot be subtract from 2 to 5. okay, so that's why you go to the next place, get borrow. okay, here 3 is the thousands place have 3, so 3 becomes 2, here 2 is there, so 2 becomes 12. okay children, you borrowed 1, so that's why this 2 becomes 12. okay, here 3 becomes 2. now subtracting in hundreds place, 12 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. so your answer is 12 minus 5 is equal to, your answer is 7. now you come to the next place, thousands place. okay, here thousands place have 2 and 2, so these numbers are same, so your difference is 0. so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. now you come to the next place, 10,000 place. 10,000 place have 6 and 5, so 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 5 after 6. So only 1, okay. So 6 minus 5 is equal to, your answer is 1. Now you come to the next place, lakhs place. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. 7 after 8. So your answer is 1. Okay children. Now you write the answer. Okay, write the number. Then after you put the comma. Okay. Comma. How will you put? First 3 place after 1 comma. Yes children. Ones, tens, 100. 100 after 1 comma. 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma. Now you read 1,10,706. So your answer is 1,10,706. Okay children, clear? Now write down in the classwork note. Third question. Write down in the classwork note. Third question. Okay, already 2 questions are finished. Now you put your line and using scale. Okay, now you start third question. Subtract 7,52,509 from 8,63,215. Okay, write it. Write neatly children. Ones place below you write ones place numbers. Okay, same thing. Okay, you write neatly. Homework. Children, now all of you take your book, page number 38. Children, all of you take your book, page number 38. I hope you have taken. Yes children. Now you see that in exercise 3.3, in first question. In first question, A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 questions are there. Yes children, in first question 6 subdivisions. That means A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes children, 6 subdivisions are there. Do these sums in your book only. Okay? Clear? Children, all of you take your book, page number 38 and see the first question. In first question have A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 questions are there. These questions do in your book. Okay? No need to copy in your homework note. Okay children? Only do in your book only. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.